Hi everyone, as promised, the demo version of the application is now available. You will find the link in the description of the video. So right now the purpose of this video is to show you like a quick overview of the application, how it works, and yeah, I need you guys to play around with it, add stuff into it, and yeah, it's basically like you have access to every feature that is going to be available, and most of the features that are available currently, they are the ones that will be used by queue marshals and taxi drivers. So basically, I need feedback on how easy it is to navigate and use the application, because I don't want to build something that is going to be complex and make people's life difficult. So it's supposed to be a solution to make lives easier and solve some problems. And yeah, that's it. So just to remind you what the app does, it basically shows you like the route that you can take, basically based on your origin and destination. For now it's still drop downs, but eventually it will be a bit advanced whereby you just put in your destination, then your origin will be optional. The default location will be like your current location. So it shows you the total amount that you're gonna spend on the whole trip from start to finish. Then you can see the taxi ranks on the map. Before you select the route, you're gonna see the names of taxis when you click on this icon. Then when you say view on map, that's when you click on it, it shows you the taxi that is filling up, the taxi that is gonna move from Pankop to Bosman, like the between these two marks, basically. Even for Bosman, you're gonna see the taxi that is loading going to Johannesburg. Then yeah, I think you can just play around with it and see how efficient it's gonna be and stuff like that. Then I'll appreciate your feedback, basically. Then another thing that you should know is like I want you guys to even add more stuff into the app. Add taxi ranks, add routes, add taxis, and just add stuff into it. I removed the action buttons, the delete and the update, so that you guys can just add stuff into it and not remove what I have already. And yeah, so one thing that I want to make clear to you guys is that this is a free version of the map, and every service that I'm using is free hosting and stuff. So if it's slow or maybe you search a location you can't find it, just bear with me there. Then you can just, if you want to select the location, you can select the closest location compared to your search. So let's say you want to take some, let's say Bree taxi rank. So when you add a taxi rank, it will show you a pop-up at the bottom. So this is what you have to select. Then you can view it on the map, then add it to the list of taxi ranks. After you add it, that's where you're gonna see it here. Let me just put it in there. Okay, Bree taxi rank and Soweto. Then I can just view it on the map, but for now let me not do that. You can do it. Then for routes, and one thing I think I should explain the routes a bit clearer. So about the routes, it's more like common sense, basically. And yeah, it's like every taxi that you can find at a certain taxi rank, but we're talking locations now. Let's say we are at MTN taxi rank. At MTN you can find taxis that are going to Sandton City. The same MTN rank you can find taxis that are going to Bree, or the taxis that are going to Mall of Africa, taxis that are going to, let's say, Jeep, for instance. So all those, they originate from MTN and going to those different places. That's basically a route. In this case, it's gonna be your origin, MTN, then the destination, the place that you have in mind. Then when you click on add route, this button is gonna give you an option to select a origin, then select a destination. Then for now it's still drop downs, and if it happens that you don't find your destination on those drop downs, or maybe your origin is not there, you can go back to taxi ranks and add those locations. Then you'll see an option to add the amount as well. So yeah, you can just add the taxi fare in there. Then after adding those taxi after adding that route, you'll have an option to add taxis to the route, like those taxis that will be filling in people, loading people and stuff. So you're gonna have this drop down that will show you all the taxis that are available. So yeah, it is the taxi driver and the taxi itself is number plate. Then you can just select the taxi, then add it to route. Then you're gonna see it here. It has no passengers. This is the taxi driver. Then this is the taxi itself. Then if you need more taxis, you can just come into this taxi tab, then add more taxis. Then for now we do have taxi drivers here. It's anime characters. Then you can add more taxi. Then if you want, you can add more types of taxis. These are the types that I have for now. Then yeah, that's it. And yeah, please play around with it, and I would appreciate feedback from you guys. And keeping in mind that these parts that are of adding stuff into the database, adding into these tables, it is the part that will be used by our queue marshals. And we all know how they are, and you don't want to do something that is gonna waste their times because they're working on time. So yeah, and in the near future I'll try to automate some of the stuff so that it becomes easier for everyone to use it. But for now, I'd appreciate your feedback on how it works and the things that I might need to improve early and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching.